we are going to see about the topic of extend method in list. List is, we know that it is start with end with square bracket. It have a order of sequence of element. In extend method used to resize a particular list, so by using adding two or more lists. So we see the example for it. Here take the L1 variable. So within the square bracket another list. Here take it two element L2 variable. So we using the extend method. So extend is a keyword, but we can able to add also by using the plus inverse. Okay, take the example print. So L1 plus L2 plus so L3. So this is also used to adding the particular list. So so here the AB, so both AB and 10, 20 and 30. So we can able to add another way. So here using the another L1 dot using the extend method. So here pass the another variable L2, L2 also holding some value. So now L1 holding the new both the extend will be storing the L1 variable. So if I get a value, so A plus, so the L1 variable is holding the AB and L2 have a 10 and 20. So this function used to resize a particular element of the particular list. So this is an example for extend method. So thanks for watching this video.